What's going on, everybody? Ross Ramsey here with RP Elite Motors and Marine. It is Friday, the sun is shining, and behind me is a customer's 24 model F450. We sold this truck. The customer came back and said, Ross, I want you to basically give it a little facelift. So what we did, myself and the guys in the shop, we decided to go back and basically chrome the suspension and all the suspension components, and let's do a walkthrough of this. This is probably the most badass 450 we've had come through the shop, so let's do it. All right, first thing up is those beautiful 28 KG1 wheels, completely polished out. Then you go up into the coil spring here. We did true plate that in chrome, beautiful Rad Flo reservoirs. And then you go down into the front 4-link, all the overlays dipped in chrome. And then that beautiful center cradle that Stryker is known for, all dipped in chrome. And then we accent to the rear 4-link, again, chrome. Sway bar, all chrome. Drive shaft chrome. Rad Flo's in the rear, bad to the bone. This is a grown man's truck right here. 28 KG1s in the rear. Got to have the floaters, looks great. All the exterior of this truck completely done in black, how it should be. Lights, platinum emblem, bumper, plastic, third brake light, handles, all of it. Mirrors, gloss black, like a boss. Mirrors, emblems, and then this is my favorite. I call this the money shot. We did add the Stryker VR1 steering stabilizer kit, completely polished out the shocks. Tie rod, chrome, tie rod ends, chrome, drag link, track bar, chrome. And then you can come in here and we even did the pitman arm. See it right there, chrome. Sway bars, chrome. Oh yeah, she's got a drive shaft, a front drive shaft, and you bet. There she is, chrome. That is bad to the bone. Bad to the bone. Sharp truck. Six-inch Stryker kit, 4-link in the front with beautiful 28 KG1s polished with all the overlays and suspension components dipped in chrome as well. Can't go wrong. So that's a walkthrough of this 24 model F450. We got some really cool builds going right now. The inventory is definitely gaining. We've got some trucks coming in that I think you guys are gonna like. Y'all have a good weekend. Check us out on YouTube, all of our social media platforms, and we'll see you on the next one. See ya.